Hello, everyone. I'm Carol V. Brown, and I am so excited that we are getting closer and closer to our webinar. This Saturday, October 26th, is the webinar that you will never forget if you attend because it's so unique. This is In Love, We Unite, Strengthening Generational Bonds. Yes, grandmothers, this is specially designed for you to connect with your daughters, daughter-in-laws, granddaughters especially, sisters, nieces, cousins. It's just an opportunity for us girls to get together, especially us older girls with the younger girls, because we are tightening our generation through love. This is an online event on Zoom on October 26th. That is 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Pacific time and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be fun. I have some special speakers I want to introduce to you and let each one of them tell you all about what they're bringing to this event. We have Atiara B. Gordon, we have Adele Mary Caruso, and we have Tony Kennedy. Let the ladies say hello to you.
Hi, my name is Atiara B. Gordon, personal development consultant and mindset coach. I'm so honored to be here with you today. In my segment, we will explore purpose, vision, and goals with a focus that's going to resonate with you. As grandmothers, you hold such a special place in your family's lives, but I know many of you may be feeling disconnected or unsure of how to relate to your granddaughters in today's fast-changing world. I want to help you reconnect with your purpose and create a vision of your role in their lives. Your love, your wisdom, and your guidance is needed more now than ever before. We'll talk about goal setting that bridge generational gaps and help you build stronger, more meaningful connections with your grandchildren. I look forward to sharing this journey with you. See you soon.
Hello, everyone. I am Adele Mary Caruso. I'm an improvisational and drama coach, and I am so excited to be a part of Carol's webinar, Strengthening Generational Bonds, where now I have the opportunity to share so many wonderful aspects of improvisation and share techniques that will inspire you to become more spontaneous, more creative, more intuitive, and connecting with your heart for more self-love and having the funnest time doing it all. I look forward to seeing you and playing with you on Saturday, October 26th.
Hi, my name is Tony Kennedy. I'm a grandmother and the creator of What's Poppin' Penny podcast, a kids' audio adventure about a little girl with brown skin and curly hair growing up in a close-knit, multi-generational home with her magical teddy bear and talking cat. It's a fun, screen-free activity based in social emotional learning that the entire family will enjoy. I'm proud to be joining Carol's team of grandmothers for the Harriet Tubman Girls United by Love program. Mothers are the givers of life, but we're also the givers of our children's first adjectives. During this program, I'll be asking us to examine how the adjectives we choose to bestow on our children can be the gifts our grandchildren inherit. I look forward to seeing you there.
Okay, we are excited and we look forward to connecting with you. It's only $20 to register you and share that link for that Zoom call with your family and friends. Gather together or on separate screens in different households, and you will still be connected together in our virtual classroom, where we're all going to unite and bring more love between our generations. See you there.